Welcome to today's session on stock market investing for beginners. I'm excited to guide you through the basics of investing your first $1,000 in the stock market. In the next few minutes, we'll cover critical concepts and practical tips and answer your questions about stock market investing. Let's start Kountin Koins. What is the stock market? Before we dive in, let's understand what the stock market is. It's a place where you can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies, and these shares represent ownership in the company. The stock market operates as a marketplace where buyers and sellers come together to determine the price of a company's shares based on supply and demand. Why invest in stocks? Investing in stocks can help your money grow over time, potentially earning higher returns compared to a savings account or other investments. Stocks have historically outpaced other asset classes, offering an average annual return of around 7 to 9% after accounting for inflation. Setting financial goals. First, set your financial goal, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or just growing your wealth. Having clear, specific financial goals will help you determine how much risk you can take and what type of stocks or investments align with your objectives. Researching stocks. Do your homework. Research companies you want to invest in. Look at their financial health, products, and future prospects. Use financial reports, earnings calls, and news to gain insights into a company's stability, competitive advantages, and growth potential. Diversification. Diversify your investments by spreading your money across different stocks and sectors to reduce risk. By holding a mix of stocks from various industries, you can protect your portfolio from the underperformance of a single stock or sector. Types of stock investments. Different types of stocks include growth, dividend, and value stocks. Choose based on your risk tolerance and goals. Growth stocks are known for their potential for high returns but come with higher risk. Dividend stocks offer regular income, while value stocks are often considered undervalued by the market. Opening a brokerage account. To start investing, you need to open a brokerage account. Many online platforms make this easy. Look for a brokerage that offers low fees, a user-friendly interface, and access to research tools and educational resources. Making your first investment. Let's make your first investment. We have $1,000 to invest. Start by transferring your funds into your brokerage account and then place an order to buy shares of a company that aligns with your research and goals. Example investment. Imagine you like Company X trading at $50 per share. With $1,000, you can buy 20 shares. When purchasing shares, be aware of commissions and fees, which can affect your overall returns. Risk management. Understand the risks. Stocks can be volatile. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and always have an emergency fund in place for unexpected expenses. Monitor and rebalance. Regularly check your investments. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Review your portfolio quarterly or annually to ensure it still matches your risk tolerance, objectives, and investment horizon. Long-term perspective. Think long-term. Historically, the stock market has provided strong returns over time. Keep in mind that short-term fluctuations are common, but the market tends to reward long-term investors who stay the course. Benefits of compounding. Let your money work for you. Reinvest your earnings to take advantage of the power of compounding. Compounding means your investment gains generate returns on your initial investment, helping your wealth grow faster over time. In conclusion, stock market investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Remember to do your research, diversify, and think long-term. As you embark on your investment journey, stay informed, adapt your strategy as needed, and continue learning about the ever-evolving financial world. Now it's time for some questions. Feel free to ask any stock market related questions you might have, whether it's about individual stocks, risk management, or any other investment related topic. We're here to help you make informed choices. Just comment them down below and we'll do our best to respond. Thank you for joining us today. Happy investing, and remember that your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, continue your education, and have confidence in your ability to achieve your financial goals. Keep counting coins.